Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to add Gmail to your taskbar. It's a simple way to get into your inbox quickly without opening a new browser tab every time. Let's jump right in. First, make sure you've opened Gmail in Chrome. This works best in browsers that let you install websites as apps, Chrome being the easiest choice. Now, look up at the top right corner and click on the three vertical dots. That's the menu button. In the menu, hover over Save and Share. From there, click Install Page as App. This basically gives Gmail its own dedicated window. Just like a real app, a little pop-up will appear asking for confirmation. Just click Install and Gmail will now open in its own app window. Once it's installed, you'll see a Gmail icon either on your desktop or already in your taskbar depending on your settings. Now, right-click that Gmail icon and choose Pin to Taskbar. That way, no matter how many apps you've got open, Gmail will always be just one click away. And that's it. You've added Gmail to your taskbar. Super easy, and it saves you a few clicks every single day. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more quick tech tips. I'll see you in the next one.